What if I told you the reason you're not making money in the stock market is not because you're dumb, it's because you're acting like everyone else. And that is exactly how people lose every single time. Meet Alex, smart guy, good job, wants to invest. He watches YouTube videos, follows trends, buys stocks everyone is talking about. At first, he wins. He was smart. Then suddenly, the market drops. Fear kicks in. He sells everything. Loss. Months later, the market goes back up. But Alec, he's still waiting, confused, frustrated, and slowly realizing something is wrong. Here's the truth. Nobody tells you the market is not designed to make you rich. It's designed to test your behavior. And if you don't understand this, you will repeat Alex's story again and again and again. Lesson 1. You're not investing, you're gambling. Most people think they are investing, but they're not. They're guessing. They buy because someone said so. They sell because they're scared. That's not investing, that's emotional gambling. Real investing is boring, it's slow, it's logical, it's patient. And that's why most people avoid it. Lesson 2. The market is crazy, and that's good. Benjamin Graham had a strange idea. He said, imagine the market is a person. His name is Mr. Market. Some days he's excited. Prices go high. Some days he's depressed. Prices crash. But here's the twist. You don't have to agree with him. You don't follow him. You use him. When he's scared, you buy. When he's greedy, you wait. Simple, but not easy. Lesson 3. Never buy without a safety net. This is the rule that can save your life. It's called margin of safety. Let's say something is worth $100. You don't buy it at $100. You buy it at $70 or less. Why? Because you can be wrong. The market can crash, but your safety margin protects you. Without it, one mistake can destroy everything. If this is making you think differently, comment smart money because you're already ahead of 90% of people. Lesson 4. Your biggest enemy is you. This might hurt, but it's true. You are the problem, not the market, your emotions, your fear, your greed. That's what makes you lose. When prices fall, you panic. When prices rise, you chase, and the cycle continues. Smart investors don't control the market, they control themselves. Lesson 5. Time is your superpower. People want quick money, fast profits, instant success. But the market doesn't reward speed. It rewards patience. The longer you stay invested, the higher your chances of winning. Not because you're smarter, but because you didn't quit. Lesson 6. Cheap is powerful. Most people buy expensive stocks because they look safe, because everyone is buying them. But real money is made when you buy undervalued assets, good companies at cheap prices. Because one day, the market realizes the truth. And when it does, prices explode. Lesson 7. Don't put everything in one place. You might feel confident. You might think, this stock will change my life. But what if you're wrong? That's why smart investors diversify. Not to win big, but to avoid losing big, because survival is the real game. Lesson 8. Crashes are opportunities. When the market crashes, people panic, news spreads fear, everyone sells. But smart investors, they smile because everything is on discount. Fear creates opportunity, and courage creates wealth. Lesson 9. Price is not value. Just because a stock is expensive doesn't mean it's valuable, and just because it's cheap doesn't mean it's bad. There's a difference between price and value. And if you understand this difference, you see what others don't. Lesson 10. Think differently. If you think like everyone else, you will get average results. Or worse, you'll lose. Because the crowd is emotional. The crowd is reactive. The crowd is wrong most of the time. So now you understand. The market is not about numbers. It's about behavior. It's about patience. It's about thinking clearly. When everyone else is losing their mind, you don't need to predict the future. You just need to avoid being stupid again and again and again. Most people will watch this video, feel motivated, and go back to their old habits, but a few will actually change. So the question is, which one are you? If you want to think like real investors, subscribe to Book Bites and comment below. Investor if you're ready to stop guessing.